Alright, today I'm going to do two different ways to find the area of a triangle. You guys probably remember that the area equals base times height over 2, or 1/2 base times height, which is great when you're using a right triangle, or it's easy to see the height. But we're going to have another way to do this. If we have a triangle that's set up like, tells me this is 20 degrees. This is, actually I'm going to make that 30 degrees. That's 30 degrees and this is 14 and this is 12. So right now when I'm looking at this, I know a side, an angle, and a side. So we're only going to use this when we have side, angle, side. So when we're set up like this, essentially this is going to be A, B, and C. What we're going to do is the area equals B times C times the sine of A. So how we would do this is that the area equals B is 12 from right here, C is 14 from right here, and the angle A is 30. I know this just from the unit circle. This is going to be this is going to be 1/2. Oh, this should have been over 2. I apologize. Over 2. So this is going to be 12 times 14 times 1/2 over 2, which that's going to be 42. So the area of that triangle is 42. So that's fairly simple. We have another way to do it when we know all three sides, and that's called Heron's formula. Before I can do Heron's formula, I have to say what this variable s stands for. And what s is going to stand for is 1/2 A plus B plus C. So all of the sides. So I have a triangle and it tells me 12, 14, and 16. So to find S, I'm going to do 1/2 times 14 plus 12 plus 16, which is 1/2 times 42, which is 21. So S equals 21. Then we have our formula for the area. The area is going to equal the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So for this guy, I'm going to do square root of 21 times 21 minus 14 times 21 minus 12 times 21 minus 16. So this is going to equal the square root of 21 times 7 times 9 times 5. Just do that in my calculator, which of course I don't have one, so that's it. Not too tough. So if they give me a triangle, sometimes I'm going to have to solve for other pieces, which means sometimes I'll have to use either the law of sines or law of cosines to get a side or an angle that I don't know. But continuing with easy ones, let's say it tells me 2, 7, and 9. I want you to find the area of that triangle. Tells me 7, 48, and 12, and it wants me to find the area of that triangle. So these are going to be your two problems for your video problems tonight, and that's all I really want you to do.